Hey everyone, welcome back to Bitwise Smarter, where we turn tech setups into easy wins. Before we begin, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials. And if you haven't already, check out our video on how to download and install Python on Windows 11. The link's right in the description. Today we are installing Jupyter Notebook on Windows 11 using Anaconda. By the end, you'll have your own data science playground running, no command line panic included. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Type Anaconda download. Click the first link, anaconda.com. That's the official site. No weird pop-ups, no fake pandas. Now click Get Started. You will have to sign up using your email. After you sign up, click Download under Distribution Installers. Once it's downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Click the installer. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next. Then, I agree to the license terms. When it asks for installation type, choose All Users. We are being generous today. Then click Next. Keep the default install path, usually under the C drive. Click Next. Keep all advanced options as they are, and then click Install. Now sit back and let Anaconda unpack its goodies. When you see setup completed successfully, click Next, Next. Before we click Finish, you can uncheck Launch Anaconda Navigator for now. We'll open it ourselves. Now click Finish. Congrats, you have just installed the most popular Python data science platform in the world. Now go to the search menu and type Anaconda Navigator. Navigator is the graphic version, all buttons and clicks. Now if you search Anaconda Prompt, Prompt is the command line version, no buttons, all power. We'll use the prompt because it's faster and makes you look like you know what you're doing. In the Anaconda prompt, type Jupyter Notebook and hit enter. Jupyter Notebook launches in your browser. You'll see all your local files right there. Let's make your first project. Click New, Notebook. When you see Python 3, click Select. A fresh notebook opens. Think of it as a mix of Word plus Python plus Magic. Click the title at the top to rename it. I'll call mine demo.ipynb. Now in the first cell, type print hello Bitwise Smarter. Press the play button to run it, or you could also do Shift plus Enter. And there you go, your first Jupyter output. Each Jupyter Notebook file ends with .ipynb. It saves your code, text, and outputs together. You can create new cells, write notes, and even add charts inline. Basically, it's Python's version of a Creative Studio minus the Adobe subscription. And that's it! Jupyter Notebook is ready on your Windows 11 PC. You can now run Python scripts, explore data, and create notebooks like a pro. If this video saved you some Googling, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and keep learning smarter with Bitwise Smarter.